Hi, my name's Tom, and I'm ready for summer. Don't believe me? Check out what I'm wearing. This is a beautiful Hardaddy Tiki vintage style bowling slash Hawaiian summer shirt. Look at this shirt. It is beautiful. The color alone makes it worthwhile. It's kind of a rust orange reddish kind of a color. I just love the color. You don't see a lot of shirts like this. It really kind of stands out. You normally see blues and greens. This one really stands out. I want you to also see the printing here. I've got big, bold, beautiful tikis. I got one tiki, two tikis, and three tikis down here. You can kind of see that just the whole shirt just looks great. Now it does have that vintage feel where it has the line down here. The pocket itself, it does have a pocket. It's a working pocket. That's great. It does have a second set of lines over here to kind of accent this side. It just is a great shirt. Now, I'm a kind of a big guy, so this is an XXL. It comes in different sizes. You will see a lot of different shirts from Hardaddy. They are all very good. They all have a similar feel. These shirts are made out of mostly polyester, a little bit of spandex, and what that means is it's a little bit stretchy. It's nice and smooth. It's fluid. It feels silky. It's not silk, but it feels like silk. So you don't have to worry about some of the care instructions. These things are just just really comfortable shirts. It's obviously very breathable. It obviously works well during the summertime. These are just fun, funky shirts. I'm going to be going on a cruise in another, I don't know, 3, 4 months. I am definitely bringing this shirt. It just looks great. I really like this. This is neat. Just so you know, I've had a couple Hardaddy shirts. They all last pretty well. They work well. They go through the wash. They're just fine. All the stitching is nice and tight. The colors themselves are very bright and vibrant. They are comfortable shirts. They fit to a T. I just really like wearing them. They're very comfortable. If you're looking for fun shirts, they're kind of, again, they're lightweight. They're polyester. They're stretchy. They're fun. They're breathable. You're looking for a comfortable shirt for the summer. Tons of different patterns to choose from. I went with a tiki. I'm a little out of my comfort zone, but I think it looks great. Hardaddy shirts are really highly recommended. They're comfortable. They look great. They hold up well. Yeah, definitely pick up some Hardaddy shirts. Good for gifts. I might get my dad, not a tiki, but I might get my dad one of the striped shirts. It just looks great. I really like these.